I'm going to give you rather controversial views on this topic, okay? You know, the bombings that are taking place in Gaza with Palestinians. The fact of the matter is, okay, nobody cares. I don't care. Most of the world doesn't care. Now, what do I mean by this and why am I saying it? Now, before you jump and say, oh, fuck, you're full of hate and this is a hate video, and listen to what I have to say, evaluate it, and then jump into conclusions, okay? All I'm asking you is, just listen to what I have to say. I'm not saying I hate Jews, I hate Muslims, I hate Arabs, no. Just listen to what I have to say. Now, over the past couple of days, we have seen so many children die, so many women die, so many innocent families die. The carnage that we have seen is unbelievable, shocking. People are dying, buildings are falling. It's terrible. Okay? Now, you must have seen my posts on my YouTube page. Who do you think is wrong, Israel or Palestine? So I got a couple of comments that said, man, you're such a bloody hypocrite. You don't care. Oh, you're even asking this. Are you so heartless? You don't care. Here's the answer. The fact is, I don't. Now, before you get angry, let me ask you a question. Okay? Just be patient. That's all I'm asking. Now, you say, I don't care. Okay? Now, I'm asking you, you say you care, correct? Okay. How did you show you care? Please explain to me. How did you show you care? What, you commented on my video? You put a Facebook update? You changed your display picture? You send WhatsApp messages? How did you show you care? Or you said, oh, we protest, and some update or some email, something you send? Social media engagement. The funniest thing is, pray for Palestinians, and you put a Facebook update, forward to 10 people, or change your display image with a nice little art. So we support Palestinians. That's how you showed your support. Now think, huh? Let's assume you met with an accident. Your mother or father met with an accident, or you met with someone you love met with an accident, and now you're in need, and you say, guys, please help me, guys, please help me. And your friends say, yeah, sure, and they start putting Facebook updates. Oh, let's pray for you, let's show our solidarity, please like and share this comment. One like, one prayer, one share, Facebook will donate $1. Or let's change our display picture to your photograph. Tell me, that's going to help you. In fact, you remember, United States is very famous for this. Whenever there is a shooting, they always say, we are sending our thoughts and prayers. We are sending you our thoughts and prayers. We are giving you our thoughts and prayers. Sending thoughts and prayers. In fact, I see some of these idiots, these religious people, oh, my mother has cancer, please pray for me. And people are typing the reply, sending thoughts and prayers your way, sending positivity, I'm healing, I'm sending my prayers. Yeah, what the fuck did you do? You checked your phone? Oh, here's an accident. Wait. I sent thoughts and prayers your way. Magic. So anything happened? Tell me. By changing your display picture, that poor family in Palestine, anything happened there? By updating your Facebook page, anything happened there? Then I know what you'll do. I know what you'll say. You'll jump and say, so what the fuck did you do? My dear friend, my job is to put out content to ensure engagement, to share my thoughts and opinions. Where did I say on my channel, this is a charitable organization to make a difference in the world? My channel name is Loy Macedo. You see my branding for personal branding, resume rebrand, and one-to-one services. And this what I put down below the content, is to advertise. This is what I do, this is what I offer. So people then check, oh, I can trust this guy, I like this guy. What does this guy do? That's what it helps. Where did I say that I'm doing it for charity or for Palestinians? My job is engagement. That's what I'm doing. I ask you your opinions. I engage with you. I give you a platform to interact with me. Now the question is, you'll say, oh, I'm doing the same thing. Fine. Then be explicit about it. Be honest about it. Say, I honestly don't care. I don't care about these people. I'm just seeking engagement. I'm just seeking interaction. I'm bored. See, it's not that we people are heartless. It's not that we take happiness on anyone's problems. But we simply don't care. Why? Because we have our own shit to worry about. We have our own problems to worry about. Now you're jumping so much with, oh, poor Palestinians, oh, poor Muslims. How many people in Africa are dying due to hunger? Were you bothered? How many people are dying every single day, homeless, in Indonesia, in Bangladesh, in Pakistan, in Afghanistan? How many people are dying in Kabul? Do you care? How much did you protest? How much did you jump? How much did you donate? You did nothing. Like Russell Peters, nothing. But the minute it comes to your religion, oh, Muslims, and the minute it comes to what you can identify, oh, my Arab brothers, oh, yeah. So you're just worried about your kind, But the worst part is, you will not donate a single penny because money is important. You'll say, oh, Lloyd, but I don't have extra money. Yeah, but money is the thing that makes the difference. To buy food, you need money. To live a good life, you need money. You think the people in Palestine are checking their Facebook? Oh, 400 likes, guys, 400 likes. Oh, guys, 206 comments. Yes, we are doing it. Oh, change.org. What? Have you even decided to open a GoFundMe page? And in fact, even if you do that, nobody will pay any money. Why? Because we all have, like, this Christians, we all have our crosses to carry. We all have enough headache and problems and issues. See, it's not that we are bad, but the fact is, we say we care, but we don't follow it up with actions. So it's bullshit. It's like when my wife tells me, okay, why I love you so much? I tell my wife, you love me because I spend money to take care of you. I work my ass off. I give you a good life. I'm loyal and faithful to you. So because I give you all these things, that's why you love me. If I didn't, you wouldn't love. And she's like, oh, because she knows what I said is true. And when my wife asks me, how can I show you I love you? She is assuming that I'm going to say some romantic, we are going to make passionate love and this. I said, clean the toilets, clean the kitchen, mop the floor, clean this, keep this in order. I give her some work to do because there's always work to do. What I'm trying to tell you through this whole video is actions speak louder than words. These empty statements, these Facebook posts, these changing your display image doesn't feed a single family, doesn't put food on the table, doesn't change anyone's lives. And sending thoughts and prayers, Allah Akbar, and putting Allah verses and all that. Even for Allah, I receive ads where these Muslim preachers are saying, Allah will give you Jannah if you build a masjid. So give your money. Allah, who created heaven and earth, the universe, the Almighty, can't do anything about money. So money is the most powerful, even more powerful than Allah. Because even Allah needs money. See, my dear friends, wake up, be practical, be realistic. Stop bullshitting and stop convincing yourself that you're an amazing human being. If you really have the character and the balls to be the man or woman of your word, put your hand in your wallet, take out your credit card or debit card, take your bank account, half your monthly income or your full month income, send it. There I will respect you. Being a bloody keyboard warrior, oh, sending thoughts and prayers, help Gaza, pray for Palestinian, oh, let's unite, let me change my display picture, let me share this YouTube video, oh, let me attack these guys, let me argue with these guys. That's all bullshit. The fact is, nobody cares. Everyone only talks. And I'll give you one last statement. One last. Tomorrow if you fall into trouble, you know it, I know it. Nobody will give a fuck. Nobody will send even a single penny. Nobody will help you. And that time if someone says, sending thoughts and prayers your way, praying for you, let me change the display picture, let me put a Facebook update, is it going to feed you? Feed your family, take care of you? No, right? Yeah. Thought as much. Understood? Comment down below, let me know. Alright? Live in a world full of bullshit. I'll tell you that. Anyway, you guys take care. Let me know your thoughts. It's me signing off. Ciao.